Hey, we are unable to hear you.
Yes, guys, I was on call. That's why my voice was not coming. So, good evening. How are you?
Good evening, sir. We are good.
How are you, everyone? Great. So, today is the induction and introduction class. So, it's kind of, introductory class. I mean, nothing much will be taught today, as we have orientation before every course, right? So, in today's class, the session, I'll be just telling you what we are covering, and I'll be introducing our whatever the people you know going to teach you. So I'll be telling you about them, and then I'll ask about you, because this is one of the very special kind of course what we are starting. And right now there is nowhere, after we launched, there are a few courses specialized for the engineering people. They have launched, but for the healthcare and pharmacy people, nobody has such courses in the market right now. So I would definitely like to know from you, everyone, like what is your exact aim after joining this course, and what you are thinking to get the outcomes after this course, and that's all for today. That's all we are going to talk in today's class. And additionally, I'll tell you what I have added, because when we were preparing the syllabus, when we were proposing this course to our board, and our board has finalized with our all the mentors, they created the syllabus keeping the statistics and AI in the mind. Statistics means the research statistics, research development, and the statistics. But later, now I have added multiple things to that, because that is our first course in the AI and ML section. Otherwise, other than that, we have 100 plus courses in the clinical side. We have multiple courses in the industrial training side, medical writing, pharmacovigilance, regulatory affairs, clinical data management, SAS training, R training. When multiple courses, short term, long term, and we have other clinical courses in cardiology, gastroenterology, and many other domains, right? But this is our first kind of course in India, what at such a big level we are conducting this 3 months course. Around 12 classes will be taken, and all the experts are from the industry, and they'll be taking your course, right? So uh, let me tell you about this course a little bit. So this course duration is 3 months, and as you know, this is the artificial intelligence and machine learning course. And before I go to that, maybe you might know not be knowing me. So I'm Dr. Ajit Singh, founder and CEO of the CliMed Research Solutions. So we have multiple wings in the CliMed, and CliMed is basically a CRO. So CRO is nothing but uh, that clinical research or contract research organizations, what we tell is, right? So here we conduct all the clinical related data management, clinical related SMO, site management operations, and multiple other things in the contract research organization as a third party to the industries. And we have multiple clinical trials going on in our CRO. But other than CRO, we have three more wings, right? So one is the education. So the climed.edu, we call it, right? So under the climed.edu, we train the people in multiple courses, and we have the separate wing for the international licensing exams and international job orientation consultations, and we have the other section for NEC also. Okay, so we have different expertise on that, and right now we have 500 plus mentors in our climed.edu, who teaches the different courses, okay, various courses in clinicals and industrial part, right? So let me come back to this course. When we were proposing this course, all the mentors are from the GSK and IQVIA and Cadila. Nobody is from academic side, nobody. So they all will be teaching you 100% practical and whatever is going on in the industry. Okay, so as the name says, name of the course says Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Essentials for the pharma industry. So before entering to the pharma industry, whatever is required, whatever is required, like to develop a research, develop a research design in the drug developments, and majorly for the data analytics, right? Data search and data analytics. So everything will be taught using the AI, and major language what our mentors are going to teach you practically is Python. Okay, is Python. So you must have read the course description also. So definitely this is about the Python. And Python, as we all know, this is the widely used pharmaceutical in the pharmaceutical industry for the data analytics and data visualization. And this course is also aiming towards providing all the pharmaceutical students with the essential knowledge and practical skills required to analyze the pharmaceutical data, extract the insights, and visualize the findings using Python, right? And students will be learning how to manipulate the pharmaceutical databases, how to get the correct data out of the databases, perform the statistical analysis, and how to automate the repetitive tasks, right? And by the end of the course, definitely you will be equipped with the necessary skills, and you will be getting the certificate also, but not directly with the minimum certain criteria are there to get the certificate also. You have to clear out some assignments, you have to clear out some pass some of the exams also in between, right? Exams means the assignments, quizzes, those based on those only you'll be getting the certificate, right? So here, let me tell you what we are going to teach in next 12 classes, or we can say in the 3 months, what we are going to teach you, right, guys? So okay, so the first, as you might be having this, let me share with you. I think you have gone through, but let me still share it with you, right? So how we can share? Yeah. Yes. So this is your uh, entire syllabus. You must have read the brochure. So this is your brochure, and here is the course highlights. I'll not go to the course highlights. You must have read those, but this is the entire syllabus what we are going to cover. First is introduction to Python for pharma. So introduction to Python for pharma, you will be getting the Python language, and then you will be getting the Python setup, right? And you will be getting all the help from the mentor. They will be helping you installing the Python and how to use it, right? Like basic Python index, data types, and operators, and you will be getting the data to analyze. So this is I very clearly told my mentors and instructors to be practical. Okay, to be as much as practical they can teach you, right? So along with the theory, along with the slides, they will be taking you through the Python language. They will be taking you through the software. They will be taking you through the laptops, and I request all of you to have at least a laptop where you can run the language. It's not necessary to have the latest laptops, but yes, you must have a laptop because it is going to be helpful. Otherwise you are not going to learn, frankly, right? And then in the second week, data manipulation and pandas. So everything, I'm not expert of these things, but you must have read this. And then exploratory data analysis, EDA we call it in the pharmacy, and then statistical analysis, and then text mining and natural language processing, NLP, and then automation and reproducible research in the pharma. And then there'll be final project and deployment. But this is not all, guys. Okay, I'm telling you all, this is not all. In this course, along with these, whatever we have proposed, along with this, the first thing what I'm going to start, for all of you is I'm going to start with a top class master class. Okay, that will be on Wednesday 7 p.m. upcoming Wednesday, 1st November 7 p.m. And the instructors, resource persons for this master class, that is completely free for you. And we can consider it as your the first class, first technical class. There you will be getting 100% practical knowledge about how and where to use the AI in research and pharma. Okay, research and pharma, the uses and applications of AI in pharma industry. Okay, so to deliver this, I have invited one of the renowned person from the pharma industry, the former senior vice president of Cadila Pharmaceuticals, Professor Pramod Kumar Rajput sir. So he'll be coming and he will be delivering the lecture. Along with him, I have invited Mr. Jayant Kolla. Okay, please search that name. Go to the Google after this class. Please go and search who is he. Mr. Jayant Kolla. He is Bangalore-based, business tycoon. He is the owner or founder of Catalyst, Convergence Catalyst. Okay, Convergence Catalyst, right? So you must have heard the name Convergence Catalyst. He's one of my friend and he has been my roommate, in past days. So I have called him, especially request. I made him a special request to come and share his views on you. And he has written one of the wonderful book recently, The Rising of AI in India, with the chief editor of Times of India. Okay, the book is flowing, flawless in the market right now. Rising of AI in the, rising of AI in India. Okay, so he will be coming to deliver the lecture. So this is the additional part. What I thought, like, this is the first course. I'm also new into this, segment, and I must deliver the best to you. Okay, so Mr. Jayant Kolla and Professor Rajput will be coming on Wednesday, 7 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. and they will be sharing their views and their experiences and where exactly, Dr. Pramod Kumar Rajput sir will be telling you where you can use the AI, what are the exact applications of AI in the pharma industry, because he has been the senior vice president of Cadila Pharmaceuticals Global. Okay, so he'll be telling you, and he is the tech enthusiast right now, and you must have heard this name everywhere. He comes to us also multiple times. In the year we call him many times for special expert lectures, right? And this is not all. Along with that, I told my mentors from GSK, Mr. Jenny, he is BTech in CS and he has done 2 years of statistics course, especially with the help of AI. In last 2 years he did statistics course and now he is working in GSK. Okay, I mean, before his GSK journey, like he is in GSK for 5 years, last 5 years. Before his GSK journey, he did the statistics and the BTech in CS. So he is the perfect person to teach you. Okay, and he is also a bio enthusiast, and he is working in the same domain, whatever we are proposing it to you. Okay, and another, you must have seen Miss Sarabjit ji. She is our one of the mentor for medical writing and other things. She is also working in GSK. She is medical transparency, clinical transparency manager at GSK. So you'll be taking few classes and people, what I'm talking about, Dr. Pramod and many people I'll be adding in between. Okay, but majority of the classes will be taken by Jenny, Raja Jenny Singh. So he will be taking your majority of the classes with Sarabjit ji. Okay, guys. So yeah, what we have added, we have added the computer aided drug designing also. Okay, AI aided drug designing, not exactly CAD, because CAD is the different section, but we have added how we can use AI in the drug designing. Okay, that is the latest chapter what I have requested them to add to this syllabus, to this course. Okay, that is also will be taught to you practically, not only the theory but practically. They'll be teaching you that also practically in this course. Okay, guys, so technically we are starting this course from Wednesday. Like first class will be on Wednesday with Professor Pramod Kumar Rajput and Mr. Jayant Kolla, and then every Saturday, Sunday. So what I'm thinking is right now we will start with one class every week. We are proposing, I mean, we have proposed Saturday and Sunday, but what I'm thinking is to get it along with the Python and to get it along with the computers and the things, AI things will take you easily. Okay, will not, give you all the burden of AI and the computer softwares and everything, because it takes time. And I request all of you to go for the practicals and learn practically and practice it at home also after the class. Okay, if you have any problems, see in your group, if you have seen all your mentors have been added already, they are added. Sarabjit ji is there in the group. Jenny is also there in the group. Okay, my team is also there in the group. Anytime, any query, if you're we'll be solving real-time queries. And in the classes, 100% these are live classes, right? 100% live classes. Live classes means you will not get any recording. Okay, after the class, definitely if you are missing, you will get the recording, but you will be getting 100% interaction with all the mentors. Okay, so please use that. I always in all our courses tell the people, please use the direct interaction with the mentors. Please ask them the questions, queries. If you are coming later with the queries, they will not solve, right? And we will be helpless because that time they will be gone after the courses and all. But if you have the queries, real-time queries, and to get the real-time queries, you have to practice it at home, right after the classes. So from my side, guys, best of luck, and I'll do my best. I have already added multiple things, and I'll be adding multiple things whatever is coming my way. And whenever I'm getting new peoples, I'm getting them for you, all of you, to teach the best. Okay, don't worry about that this course is one of the perfect course what I prepared with my team, and you'll be getting a lot from this. Okay, and I'll be adding multiple things to this course, right, guys? So don't worry. And this is from my side. I wish you best of luck. And now over to you. Please tell me one by one. Open your mics, and you can tell me why did you join this course? What exactly your aim is? What exactly do you want to learn from it? How it is useful to you, right, guys? Please tell me, and then if you have any queries, please ask me. Yes, guys, please open your mics and speak. I would like to hear from you because this is the first kind of its course from our segment also, and for us also. Yes, everyone.
Hi, Dr. Ajit. This is Samriddhi.
Hi, Mr. Mrithi. Please tell me. Yes.
Yeah, I think AI and machine learning I think it's going to be a future in the pharmaceutical sector, and it's going to come in a big way. So I think we need to be prepared for it if we want to and know it exactly so that we can move forward with it, use it for our advantage actually. So that's why I thought, and I don't have any background in AI, so I thought this would be a good start.
Yes, definitely. Yes. So I would like to
Yeah.
add to Ms. Samriddhi. So guys, you don't need any kind of prerequisites to join this course. You have joined it, right? You don't need any kind of prerequisites or the earlier experiences in AI or something, because we are starting it from the scratch, from the basic. I even instructed our mentors to go from the very basic. First, a little bit of theory in first class, first two classes, three classes, and then go to the practical. And until and unless you are not understanding the things, please, ask them the questions. They'll clear your all the doubts. Okay. Yes, guys. Okay, South Riaz is telling, I have a keen interest in programming and AI and want to use it in our advantage. Perfectly fine. So I would like to listen from more of you guys. So I can see the names, Mr. Sachin Parekh and Asutosh Prajapati, Ayushi, Divya, Pavitra, Samida, Aditi, Arun, Saran, Fatima, Hana, Tahura, Chinmay, Aboli Kulkarni, Matangi, Kavya Sri, Samir. Guys, please speak. Or
Hey,
you can write.
good evening, Dr. Ajit. This is
Hi.
Sachin here.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, so I have been in pharma. I cannot say like a pharma, but it's a IT plus pharma in last 22 years. I am working with the various institute like Johns Hopkins University, then National Cancer Institute of Health, then National Institute of Health for Division of AIDS, and I have been developed a couple of clinical research management softwares from
Perfect.
the from protocol designing to the site monitoring, and it has been used by the National Institute of Health for a division of AIDS, as well as the DIT and DMED for them. And I also supporting the couple of applications for the John Hopkins division in Pune, and as well as in the Chennai for that clinical research solutions. So now my goal is like right now we have I can say like millions of records right now. Now we would like to analyze the data and how we can produce the more in terms of the virology department. We can help for that, and that is why the purpose of joining this course.
I think this is the right course for you, sir, because the main aim, of designing this course was statistics and data
Right.
analysis, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yes, guys. Anyone else?
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Hi, I see.
This is Ayushi. And I recently started working in the clinical
Your
research.
voice is a little low. We cannot hear you right now.
Is it better now?
A little. Yes.
Okay. Hi, sir. I'm Ayushi. I was saying I just started working in the clinical research industry like 2 years back, and I am pretty keen about clinical data management. I think we had a conversation about it as well.
Yes.
So, like earlier, I got to know that AI and machine learning would be a like great future ahead in pharma industry. So I think this course was like pretty, uh, you know, convincing for me to learn and grow in the field and to see something new that I could do. I think that's why I was interested in. I just
Okay.
wanted to know if I did not know anything like about Python or anything, would that be an issue here?
No, nothing. As I just said,
Okay.
you don't need to, have the prior experiences on Python and all. They'll be teaching you from the scratch.
Sure. Thank you,
Okay.
sir. No problem.
And one of the important thing, guys, again, I'll tell you, because I have seen this in our prior courses also. Basically, if I talk about the course, SAS programming, I request all of you to ask a lot of questions. In SAS courses, what we have, seen is people come, and when it comes to the practical, they either don't understand or they don't ask the questions, and they leave the course in between. Okay, so it's not about the money they are keeping in the course or whatever. It's about the time, and about our mentors also. It is not good for you, not good for us. So you have to put your efforts. It's not, this journey is not going to be easy, very, if I tell you, it is not going to be very easy. So you have to put your efforts, you have to learn, you have to practice. Okay, otherwise, after some time you'll be feeling like I'm not getting anything, everything is going from the head. So you have to be very cautious, you have to be very alert in the classes, you have to ask questions if you're not understanding, right? It is not a very simple, or if I say easy journey, right? So you have to be very careful and alert in the classes, right? And you have to practice at home also, you have to get the time to practice it, right? Yes, guys, someone else? Any questions? It's okay if you don't want to share your your aim, why you have joined, then uh, it's okay. But any questions for me, or any doubt about this course, if you have, please ask me. See, that is the best part of keeping the induction or orientation classes, so we can understand each other, what exactly you are looking for. Sometimes we don't have that, right? But if you are telling me now, I'll be arranging for you.
I'm audible?
Yes, for Kanan, you are.
Hi, good evening. First of all, I would like to thank you for such a wonderful course. And there may be some distortion as I'm there traveling, as I've informed you, Brad. As I'm an academician, so I would like to learn this and to be get update what are the things going on the pharma world, because all the things are getting connected to the applications and net developing. So
Yes.
this will really help us, and I am very eager to learn this all.
Sure. I'm not sure if it is
And
the
the first,
application. Yes, yes, sir. So I'm not very sure
yes,
that it
yes,
is
yes.
the application development or not, because that is something else. If I am not wrong, this is the programming and all. This will not
Yes, yes, correct. You are very correct. Actually, we are not more connected to this world, correct?
Yes.
So, with pharma industry, coming to this by shaking hand is very necessary.
Yes, absolutely, sir. Absolutely. No,
Thank you.
I definitely can, assure that whatever we have promised, you will get more than that. I'm very sure.
Sure, sure, sir. Thank you. And I can see your messages and your involvement in many of the things, and I'm really impressed by that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Even though you are involving your Saturday, Sunday, where the people are thinking I should get free, and you are serving for these all courses. Thank you so much.
So yes, definitely. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so Neha is writing, I'm actually interested in doing masters in bioinformatics. Wonderful. Health informatics after completing my PharmD. Amazing. So I can see the PharmD students are also there. Amazing. So basically, I'm willing to know about the AI and ML to keep up with the challenges which I may face in the coming days. Perfectly fine. So I am definitely sure it is, it will be a helpful course for you, Neha. Yes, guys. Anyone else would like to share the experiences or whatever, or someone who has the previous hands-on on the AI, guys? Anyone here who has the previous hands-on on AI and into the research or maybe the healthcare would like to share the experience?
So I don't have much experience in the AI, but I am more in having experience in the business intelligence for that, like creating a various dashboards for research institutes.
Wonderful.
I had used like a RedCap, then
Oh,
DHIS2. Those also Open Clinica also I had used for that.
yes.
So I was trying to migrate the single platform where all the data can come in between, and we can make a bridge over there to from and to get the data from various applications and make a one dashboard for a entire institute for that.
Okay, that's very nice. Yes, it will definitely add more value to your journey. You have
Yeah.
done a lot of work in this, but definitely this course will be adding a lot of values to your course. Anyone else, guys? Okay, if no one, then it's fine. I believe that you are reserving your questions to the mentors. I'm not the mentor, and I am not the expert of AI and ML, right? So please, again, I'm always concerned about you people, because mentors, they come, they teach, they go, right? But you are always there, and you are going to enter the market, or you are already in the market to grow your career further. So I'm always concerned about you. You must ask the questions and learn. Okay. So Manisha is telling here, basically to learn the basics of programming and want to get familiar with AI concepts like deep learning, natural language process, definitely that everything is there, right? So completing my family, perfectly fine. Great, great guys, great. Okay, so I'll be waiting to see you on the Wednesday, 7 p.m. in the evening, right guys? Take care by the time, and yes, that's all from my side, guys. Thank you very much. Okay, take care and good night. Good night, everyone. Take care.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Good night.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank
Good
you.
night.
Thank you, Ajit.
Thank you.